System.io versus WordPress. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going ahead and talking about the best business online platform that you can choose for yourself. Now, we have System.io and WordPress on the mantle. Now, choosing the right platform for your online business is a critical decision that can significantly impact your success. Two popular options are System.io and WordPress, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Now, in this video, I'm going to compare these platforms across various aspects to help you decide which one is the best fit for your business needs. Now, when it comes to ease of use, System.io is designed for absolute simplicity and ease of use. It offers an intuitive, user friendly interface that requires no technical skills. This makes it ideal for beginners who want to set up their online business quickly without learning complex softwares. WordPress, on the other hand, is highly flexible and customizable, but it comes with a steeper learning curve. Setting up a WordPress website involves choosing a hosting provider, installing WordPress, selecting and configuring themes and plugins, and possibly going ahead and dealing with some coding. And the worst part of it all is that you can't do this stuff on the free plan. You need WooCommerce, and for WooCommerce, you need the upgraded WordPress plans. Now, when it comes to all-in-one solution versus customizability, System.io is an all-in-one platform that includes everything and anything that you need to run your online business. You have sales funnels, blogs, digital stores, email campaigning, newsletters, online course hosting, membership sites, webinars, and even you have affiliate management, which is one of the best things a marketing software can provide you. Now, you can also go ahead and use different types of integration, and this integration eliminates the need for multiple tools and plugins, simplifying management and reducing costs. WordPress, on the other hand, is a highly customizable content management system that allows you to build virtually any type of website. You can choose from thousands of themes and plugins that you can find right over here in the plugin store and add functionality to your website. This flexibility is unmatched, but it also means you have to manage and possibly pay for multiple plugins to get the features that you actually desire. And obviously, we move over to cost, where System.io offers a straightforward pricing structure with three plans, which are $27. Then we have the upper plan, which is 47, and then 97. But the best part is that you also have the freemium plan, which will allow you to use System.io totally for free for as long as you want. Now, WordPress itself is free, but you will incur costs for hosting, premium themes, and a whole lot more, as I stated. And you can see all of that here in their upgrade section, where you can basically get premium themes and plugins, which can add up, making WordPress potentially more expensive over time. Now, moving over to speed of implementation, System.io, you can get your online business up and running extremely quickly. Its integrated tools and pre-built templates allow you to create sales funnels in the easiest and most simplest way in a matter of hours. WordPress setting up can take longer due to the need for selecting and configuring various plugins and themes into your website. Then we also move over to customer support, where WordPress support largely depends on the hosting provider and the developers of the individual themes and plugins. System.io, on the other hand, offers extensive customer support, including a responsive customer service team, a comprehensive knowledge base, and active community forums. Now, when it comes to SEO capabilities, which is basically search engine optimization, I'd say that System.io includes basic SEO tools to help you optimize your content. WordPress, on the other hand, is absolutely renowned for its SEO capabilities. With plugins like Yoast SEO and all-in-one SEO pack, you can fine-tune every aspect of your site's SEO. This makes WordPress a powerful choice for business that rely heavily on organic search traffic. Then the best part is that System.io is designed to scale with your business. Its pricing plans allow you to upgrade as you need to grow, and the platform can handle increased traffic in more complex operations without a hitch. WordPress is also highly scalable, but this often requires more technical expertise from your site, where you may need to upgrade your hosting plan, optimize your database, and manage more plugins as your site grows. So, in conclusion, choosing between System.io and WordPress depends on specific needs. So, if you are a startup person who is, looking to run a small marketing business and, who's basically looking to set himself up, then I would definitely suggest System.io to you, because System.io would definitely go better with your, category or niche of work. But if you're a person who's already running an enterprise and you want to bulk it up and give it some steroids and give it that special sauce to go along in the long run, then I would definitely suggest that WordPress is the better output for you. So, this is basically the main idea of System.io versus WordPress, and which one of these is the better all in one digital marketing tool. So, thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.